Said I wanted to play a little game, called out these Jews by name. Told him Cisco on my way, so follow her, hit the fucking highway. I know my day's coming, got fist made Jews ready to start running. Nothing is simple when you're feeling crippled, but I'm the beast who's getting sizzled. I shine like a crystal, hit hard as a missile, smaller than a thimble. Little did these haters know, Little Sicilian, last of a dying breed. I need a fucking queen, suck my cream, fulfill my dreams and be with me. Damn an enemy, splendidly, endlessly, purposely, while I'm heavenly surfacing. I'm not in these perfectly laid out hoes, baby make with me like it's a show. I go hard, not soft, who else you know willing to call like I'm chosen people. Y'all know how I'm chosen king, full of salvation, so I had to fucking down hatred. And now basically calling me a bitch will get you dumped in the ditch. I hit stiff, dodge quick, and got the strap, ain't quit. Watch me hit. Keep my spot on top, angels by my name. It's Michael's world, no psycho. I might go illmatic on the hater, but still have it as the chosen savior. Antichrist handed by angels, Christ Gabby brought my destiny, which granted me saving grace. Can it be making way to a God chosen people will get me served the pie. First was I haters hit, gay played, layman, thought they got away. Fuck with the bitch, may say I take this fight to my motherfucking grave. Butter up these slaves, I got them in disarray. Shit's amazing, I'm not fucking complaining. Not sustaining what's playing in the stage. Jews, my shrewd, wise Jew, die. Who's my biggest adversary? King Jew, serial killer, my die. Real in time. It's my heart that pours out to an Israelite. A god of flight, can't fly right. Doesn't listen to the rules, he too special. Wanna be a rebel, but gets undone by the devil. I lay him down flat as a level, louder than a bass treble. I'm dreadful on these white kites, bound in disguise with like that, truthfully despise. All wanna follow, confide in Little Sicilian. That's that Gucci looking to fuck some good. I get a hoochie. Not with baby angels better than me, especially seen. Bitch schools everything. These haters want to be, they think they run my life. I get them back, my revenge depends on the hater. I take them out in legions. These men think I'm scared, but I dare to chew that kite with my own God-given rights. Like it or not, I'm on top like I on the spot. Watch these so flock. Got Italy weight, cause fiddly the weight was literally on grace, so vigorously get baked. Say my body's in isn't safe, but I think the pain needed like some birthday cake. Come or say thanks, I got God's help, sweet life. There's no telling me stop. God is me, archangel. These angels need that on the job. Gabby soon free with me. And these hoe ass Jews, white in color, still doubt me. I said, meet me in hell. Tell me what a bitch made disgrace I am, and I'll fuck your face in place. It's no secret, my love for the ladies and my baby's Little Sicilian is just crazy. Lazy, shady, maybe, but playing crazy for my babies is what God was hoping for. Show him, Lord, and when the court got weak, bitch made you stuck on hell's floor. Come tell your Lord what you think of me. I'm a Sicilian, tied to the mob like a dream. Mike's the king, got a scheme to splatter. Hatred got your bladder shaking. I've had your hatred looking basic like a spaceship, so come by my spaceship. Take this life I lived and take it for granted. I'm king of the planet, got souls, damn it. Planet duties to screw, I'm screwed, and prove good will never fucking lose. Coming through in an angel's glow is one label slow, but I'm able to grow. Angels, no, I'm king, I ain't got two gods. Damn, can't breathe like Toad the King. I'm sorry, Jews. You know I love you. Don't worship the devil. I love you, Israel. But angels wanted to play a game to lame the slaves.